Alright, a test of the circulating system. You have suction from the bottom of the tank going to the pump. That is actually the diesel engine running on idle. This time I didn't even have to hand prime it. The prime it really held the time from the last time I had it started. Right now I've got both valves open, so I can go either way with the water. I close this one. Now all the water is going up through the hydraulic swivel. Coming down, imagine if this is a German drill pipe right here. And it would go down into the well through the bit, up through the annulus of the hole, and then into our, we're going to have a water pump. We're building it right now. That water pump will go right underneath here and then catch all the currents coming from the well. The gray line is my fill line from my pond, and this is just a bypass line so you can't cut this pump off. You can't turn it off. If the engine's running, the pump's running. So you always have to have a place for the water to go. So it comes with this little rinky-dink three-way valve that I didn't like that much. And so I came up with all of this piping, which would be more robust, a little easier to control. There's no back pressure anywhere on here. And the key here is just to make sure that one of these valves is always open. So if I want to go to divert, what I would do is while this one is open, I would, now I've got both of them open. And now I want to close this one. And now the water is flowing into my bypass. I can make a connection. I can pick up a new drill pipe and make it up here where the water is bypassing. While I make that connection and I get ready to go back to drilling, I would come in here and come in here, open both valves, and then I would close this one. Now the full pump volume is going up here into the hydraulic swivel. So I'm going to call that a success. I've got a couple of little leaks here and there that I can tighten up, but I'm saying this little plan works.